Here's the 60-second script. Ever tried multiplying complex numbers by hand and spent 10 minutes second-guessing your algebra? Yeah, same. This free complex number interactive calculator handles all of that instantly. Just enter your two complex numbers using real and imaginary parts, choose your operation, addition, subtraction, multiplication, or division, and get your answer in seconds. Here's a quick example. Say you're working with 3 plus 2i and 1 minus 4i. Select multiplication, hit calculate, and boom, you get 11 minus 10i, complete with a step-by-step breakdown showing exactly how we got there. No memorizing formulas, no sign errors, no wasted time. Whether you're a student tackling electrical engineering homework or just brushing up on your math, this tool makes complex number arithmetic genuinely painless. Try the free calculator right now using the link below. Your future self will thank you.